baking soda. Okay, pour the vinegar in. Go ahead. Pour. That's probably good. There we go. And we're just gonna let that sit for like 5-10 minutes. And then we'll rinse it really good and that'll get it clean.
And then we'll do this.
No, I won't need that.
Then why'd you get it out?
Because that's just part of it. I actually really love the salad spinner. It spins the water out of your lettuce. And we eat enough salads that I'm like, okay, I don't think this will be a wasteful purchase. And we have used it so much. Well, lady, if I didn't have you, how would I get any laundry done, huh? Look at her back there. She's like, help me. If I didn't have Lady, who would entertain Millie all day, huh? Who would do that? You two are such good friends. While you two play, I'm gonna, finish doing laundry. We already had a fight over who's gonna push Millie in the cart. Lincoln won. You're gonna push her for the second half. That's fine. Everybody loves the baby. I cannot wait for the boys to come home because every day when they've come home, they have been so sweet and so cute with Millie. You just walked right past her. You should have seen her run to the door. Did you guys miss Millie?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, she's wanting to show you something. She's like, did you catch that?
No.
We were watching Snow White, and she probably was wanting to show you because we were enjoying our movie. How was school?
Good.
How was your test today?
They didn't show the answers because we had a long test and we had to split it between 2 days.
Oh.
But I felt like it
Come
did
off
good.
the stairs. That makes me nervous.
Oh, I thought she wanted to go downstairs.
I know, but you standing on the stairs holding her was making me nervous. Millie woke up around like 4:30.
Screaming all night.
Yeah, she had a rough night last night. And then by the time she fell asleep at 6 o'clock, that's when I woke these kids up for piano. And I was just like, all right, well, I'm prepared to be awake for the rest of the day with her. But she didn't. She slept till like 7:30 or something. Wrong foot. Should we go inside? If we can't go on a walk because it's a little cold, we can certainly go into Target. Yes, it's a little cold outside. The kids have taken Millie on so many walks, and I wanted to go for a walk and film it, but it's a little too cold. There we go. Is she cold? Are you cold and cuddling me? Yes, it's a little crazy cold. Let's get you inside. Why we came to Target. Exhibit A. We need socks. These are the socks that my kids like, so let's grab 2 packs of these. Millie, you're such a good trooper. You're such a good shopper. No. Just get changed and come show me what you're wearing. Do you want to hold that, Millie? Look. You want to hold that? You're such a good girl. Yes, you're such a good girl. You didn't want to take a nap today, but you're still a good girl. What are we thinking? Do they fit?
The shorts are too long, but other than that is great. Mom, look how short mine are.
What the? What do you think?
I love it.
I love it too. We sized down in the shorts. Handsome, handsome. Cute. Oh, much better. They stay on. Okay, let me see your shirt. Cute. Shorts. Cute. Do you like the shorts? Will you wear them?
Yes.
You gonna wear that to school tomorrow? Okay.
Mom, I'll throw it out the mirror. It cracks it.
Okay, Lincoln, go change and bring me that outfit. Yeah, don't try and take her toy. I tell you no too. Those misty mountains aren't looking good, considering we're just, you know, dreaming of warmer weather. Hold your bag open. This was my left hand. Hold on, let me switch my hand. Ready? Yeah. Love that. Okay, here, you go get the other diaper.
Okay, make sure it's open.
Now, your throwing skills are what's gonna have to really work some magic because teamwork makes the dream work. You did it all. Thank you, Lincoln, for taking Millie outside and for volunteering to jump with her on the trampoline so that I could get dinner ready. Who's here? Who's here? I had no idea. Who's here? Uncle Joel? Let's go find Uncle Joel. Joel? Yeah. I have all of the salad prepared and Joel's going to go out and cook the chicken. I've got my dressing right here. This is kind of... and then Millie's bowl right here. This is my go-to salad. And before anyone's like, paper plates, you know what? The house is clean, the laundry's picked up, and I've done it all with this baby today, so yeah, I can have paper plates. Are you hungry? Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat? Okay, let's sit down and eat.
I want to have what she has.
Yeah, we're going to take your pretty clothes. Oh, you know what? Here, look.
Put your bib on.
Look, put your hands in. Put your hands in. There. Oh, yes, there. And she hates when her bracelets aren't showing. Look, she's pulling this up so you can see her bracelet.
Oh my gosh.
Here. Sit down. Are you hungry?
I want to see your bracelet.
No, she wants to eat. Do you want to eat those?
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, maybe she was just a little hungry.
She was.
She can't wait
She
for
kept
dinner.
sitting in her seat.
She can't wait for dinner. You got some blueberries, hemp seeds, strawberries, cucumbers.
Berries. Cucumber berry.
Yeah.
Well, now you're happy.
Okay.
Oh, wow, got an eyebrow raise. All right.
I know I should learn how to cook chicken, but I just really like that you cook it.
I enjoy doing it.
And you do such a good job when you do. Something I wanted to get done this week, and when I take Millie home, I'll do it, but we'll get like the bike situated, we'll get the patio furniture out, we'll get everything sweeped off. Like it always looks like this right in the spring, but we'll get it looking fresh
Spray it
and
down.
spray it down and
Deal.
yeah. Thank you for cooking the chicken. Here's the final salad we almost started eating without showing you. Such a real, I mean, this is kind of my go-to salad. My kids really like it because of the berries in it. I always put my recipes on Instagram and save to the highlight. I'll put it's in my salad highlight on Instagram. So if you want it, you can go check it out.
Say this in the name of thy son, Jesus Christ, amen.
Amen. I didn't even tell you to fold your arms.
In church
You
it
just
is.
did it. Wow, good girl. She's bashful.
Say banana.
Say Joel.
Say banana. You say apple. Abba.
Say mama.
Dada. Dada.
Dada.
Dada.
Say Joel. Yeah.
Say Mark. Say Uncle Mark. Say Aunt Mama. Yes.
Say Emma.
Emma.
Oh.
Uncle Joe.
Say Lucy.
Yeah.
You say Boston. Millie. Millie.
I
Say
am hungry.
Millie. Millie. Can you say Boston? Say Boston.
Oh my gosh.
She's like, what? This cheek.
Yeah.
is like-
Earlier she grabbed my chin.
Really?
She grabbed my chin and kissed me.
Oh,
and then-
Lincoln. Oh,
Nope.
Lincoln had to.
I don't.
You gotta tell her. Say Millie.
Like, hug her up, kid.
Oh my
Hello, cousin.
No, she's just being lovey. Oh, good hugs. All right, say goodnight, everybody. Good night. We're going to go put you... Oh, yeah. Did you see her look at me?
All done. All done.